This tool can make your YouTube videos go from 0 to viral in minutes. But if you're not careful, you'll burn through your credits faster than your morning coffee. That's exactly what happened to us. We use a tool called InVideo AI to build the first draft of every single video on this channel. It picks visuals and edits the timeline all in one go. Sounds like magic, right? It is, until you realize how easy it is to waste credits if you don't know what you're doing. When Grace, my virtual assistant, first started using InVideo, she was going through credits like firewood. She was new to video creation, new to the tool, and just trying to figure it out. The quality was okay, but the learning curve was real, and we needed a smarter way to stretch our credits without sacrificing quality. Now, she's producing viral-worthy videos in less time and using half the credits. Let me show you how we fixed it, and how you can do the same even if you're a complete beginner. Here are 5 tips to help you build professional-looking videos without wasting credits. Tip 1. Always choose Edit Script instead of Prompt. The prompt option uses more AI and burns more credits. Edit Script gives you more control, better pacing, and costs less. Tip 2. Keep your scripts short, 300 to 500 words max. That's the sweet spot for keeping videos snappy, engaging, and credit efficient, especially when you're just getting started. Once you know the tool inside out, you can confidently start creating longer videos without wasting credits. Tip 3. Pick one video style and stick to it. Don't regenerate visuals unless you absolutely have to. Each style switch costs more credits. Tip 4. Skip the AI's visual suggestions edit manually. It's faster, gives you better results, and doesn't use extra credits. Tip 5. Batch your scripts ahead of time. Test them, time them, and plan your visuals before uploading. That way, you don't waste credits on drafts you don't use. Here's a bonus tip that Grace discovered. You can actually pause the AI mid-generation and manually swap out bad visuals without spending any extra credits. That one little trick saved us dozens of credits and made our videos look way more polished. And the best part? Grace figured that out completely on her own. She started with zero experience, brand new to video creation, new to AI tools, and now she's confidently producing polished videos every single week, using just InVideo AI, CapCut, Canva, ElevenLabs, and ChatGPT. She drafts the visuals in InVideo, we clean it up in CapCut, and then we schedule it. Nothing fancy, just smart systems and steady growth. Grace's progress has been incredible. She's proof that with the right tools and mindset, you can learn fast, improve quickly, and create content you're proud of. So if you're building a faceless YouTube channel or trying to earn passive income with AI, don't let your credits go up in flames. Work smarter, not harder. Use the tips in this video to save time, stretch your credits, and create better content even if you're just starting out. And hey, if this helped you, like this video to help more creators avoid costly mistakes. Subscribe for behind-the-scenes growth tips every week. Drop a comment if you've ever burned through credits. We've all been there. And watch the next video to see the biggest mistakes we made using InVideo AI and how we fixed them fast. Let's delegate, automate, and earn passively together.